my lord, what an install today. This is Snow White. Snow White is in the castle. So this is Missy's 2017 Toyota Tacoma, the recent recipient of these beautiful custom-made headlights. So you can watch the video on the headlight build themselves if you want to see all the details on that, but it's a full quad retrofit with a Morimoto Mini H1 in the high beam position and an RX 350 projector swap in the low beam position. We've got RGB demon eyes and DRLs, full color matched paint job on the interior as well as the clear amber deletes, and they look friggin' sweet on this beast. So in order to install them, we've got a button on the interior of the vehicle right there, the shiny, beautiful stainless steel one in between these little, I'm not going to comment on those, but you push that, the little halo lights up. And now the products are activated. So all of our RGB products are button controlled. So currently it defaults to white. So we have the white DRL, the white demon eye, and the white demon eye. Alrighty, so now we can play. This is controlled via the Morimoto, the 3-channel Bluetooth controller. As you can see, I've got the DRL on green, one projector on red, and one projector on blue. So they are completely independently controlled. That's our DRL. We'll put that on like a red. We can change that demon eye, put that one on a blue, and then this one over here we'll put to like kind of like a yellow there. So and it is of course paired to that side as well, so they mirror each other and look really sweet. And now I'm going to turn them off by pushing the button. And now they are currently off. These are wired up so that whenever you turn on the vehicle, so in the ignition position or running, that you're gonna get a nice pure white DRL mode. So as you can see, we've got the DRL mode activated. Again, this is anytime the key is in the ignition position, so you can either click it forward 2 times or anytime the vehicle is running. For those of you who are watching who are jargon junkies, that technically makes this a running light, not a daytime running light, since they will be on even during the night. Next up on our showcase are the amazing Headlight Output. It is, again, a quad retrofit running on 50-watt Morimoto ballasts, so it is an insane amount of light output. Alright, you were getting a little blinded there. I'll get up on this so you can see something pretty. And then our beam pattern on the wall, which isn't really going to tell you that much, but the fact of the matter is that is a lot of light. It is super bright, and the high beam is even more ridiculous. I also have LED bulbs in here in order to match the color spectrum of everything. Everything's pretty much pure white. Also worth mentioning are the super amazing switchback functionality of these boards and the LED bulbs that I have in the turn signal location. I am not going to lie to you, I love this turn signal. It is just right. It's well balanced. Obviously the DRL blinks and this LED bulb that is the amber profile peak bulb. And last but not least, we have the Morimoto XB LED fog lights that are also installed in this bad beast. And so they also complement all of the other lighting. Again, everything is pure white. Everything super clean on this truck as far as the lighting is concerned. That's what I can vouch for. And I love it. I'm super proud of it. This was, like I said, whoo doggy, what a hell of an install today. That was a lot of wiring, but you know what? It's cool and it's gonna work and it's gonna give great performance and some reliability, and that gives my stamp of approval. Hooray! This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful evening. See ya!